O Lord, I cry unto thee. Deliver me from the evil man. Preserve me from the violent man. And as vinegar to the teeth, and as smoke to the eyes, so is the sluggard to them that send him. The righteous shall never be removed, but the wicked shall not inhabit the earth. The rich man's wealth is his strong city. The destruction of the poor is their poverty. The merciful man doeth good to his soul. The desire of the righteous is of good, but the expectation of the wicked is wrath. Whosoever loveth instruction, loveth knowledge. A wise man will hear and increase learning, and the man of understanding shall obtain wise counsels. Whosoever loveth wisdom, loveth the Almighty. He that trusteth in his own heart is a fool. The wicked fleeth when no man pursueth. That which is crooked shall not be made straight. Better is a poor and wise child than an old and foolish king. There is no end of all the people, even of all that have been before them.